backwards. Is Ruby. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this makeup look right here. To be honest, the palette that I used was not very pigmented, so I had to like really get in there and like try to build up the pigment. I did one eye, I'm like, okay, this looks weird, but I just kept on going, you guys, and I actually like how it turned out. Currently in the middle of summer right now, and I was just bored, so I decided to do this makeup look. So with that being said, let's get this video started. So I'm gonna start this look off with my brows. So I've just outlined the bottom of the brow and towards my tail. And then I'm gonna take my spoolie just to make sure that it's as natural looking as possible. So as you can see, my eyebrows are like really light compared to my natural hair color. So I'm just gonna darken it up slightly, just a little bit, with some brow powder. So now I just took like a little bit of the NYX Drop Foundation and just put it on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to outline like the bottom of my brow to sharpen it up. So yay, we're done with the brows. Just kidding, we have to blend this out. So I was just finishing my online school for the year, and they came out with this little yearbook of all the students. And apparently I was nominated for like the best laugh of the online school students, and I'm like, how do you know? Like, that's so creepy. Like, why was I nominated? So yeah, I'm pretty spooked right now. So now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to set my eyes. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a pastel looking makeup look. So I'm going to start off with a very light purple in this BH Cosmetics palette. Okay kiddos, so I just did one eye. I just had this forever, and I just decided to experiment with color. It's not very pigmented, but you get the idea. Okay, yeah. Okay, so after you have the tape on, you want to take a tiny little brush and then just dip it into a purple color. As you can see, there's like lots of harsh lines, so I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just blend it out. So now I'm just gonna take this flat brush, dip it inside this blue eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Absolute New York Cotton Candy liner, and it's a pastel pink color. Ooh, would you look at that? So I'm just gonna clean up this eyeliner just a little bit at the tail. The reason why I use foundation to clean up my mistakes is because foundation is like lighter compared to concealer. So now that the liquid eyeliner is dry, I'm going to apply my House of Lashes in the style Iconic Light. I dig the color scheme. Like, I did one eye and then I'm like, should I even like bother doing the rest of the makeup? Because I was kind of insecure, to be honest. But you know guys, like, I'm not a professional. I'm just doing my best. I'm just trying to have a good time, man. So now I'm just going to take my favorite mascara and just blend the fake eyelashes with the real eyelashes. Okay, so my mom just told me that she made a burrito for me. That's super sweet. She didn't have to do that, but I'm gonna eat the burrito really quick and then I'm gonna come back and finish this makeup look. Okay guys, so I am back and I'm ready to do my face makeup. So I already put on some moisturizer, and now I'm going to put on this e.l.f. hydrating primer. Since I have dry skin, it's especially good to have hydrating stuff because it's not fun being crusty. If your skin type is very oily, then I recommend using powdered products. It looks a little bit lighter than my skin tone on camera, but like once I blend it all out, it's fine. It's not like a super full coverage foundation, to be honest. And then I got this beauty sponge for my birthday from my friend Sydney. She's 6'4". That's just a random fact I'm throwing out there. Here, let me FaceTime her and see what kind of sponge this is. I just remembered that she's actually doing a basketball game right now. That's the thing too with like the stigma of tall people. People always think that we're like into sports because we're so tall, but it's like, I'm like not athletic at all, but like I can watch on the bleachers. And now I'm going to take this Wet n Wild concealer. Wet n Wild is the bomb, you guys. Like, this is cruelty free and the products are pretty good. So, putting this in my T-zone area. There we go. Okay! Make sure to comment down below your favorite songs at the moment so I can add it to my summer playlist. Should I do some cream contour? Yeah, why not? I mean, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just having fun. I haven't done like cream contour in a while, so this is going to be a ride. Okay, instant regret. I'm trying to have a jawline of an F-boy. I look like a retired drag queen. And at this moment, Ruby questioned who she is. Who? Did I just like invent how to blend out contour really fast? I'm so tired. That sounds like really annoying. I'm sorry. I'm just going to do it silently. I never contoured my nose, so I don't know why I decided to do that today, but like I'm trying to fix it, okay? Don't come for me! Okay guys, so like I said, for dry skin, you want to make sure that you have as much moisture as possible. So, I'm taking a lipstick and we're gonna test this hack out. Just a little bit, guys. Makeup is so relaxing and therapeutic. I'm literally just patting and like petting my face. I'm so weird. I'm sorry. So I'm just gonna take some Urban Decay setting spray and I'm just gonna set my face. And you guys know that I'm super extra, so this feels so good. Oh my god. Let me like put this in slow motion with like some music. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna take this Aurora Glow Kit highlighter palette. I'm gonna take Eclipse. Then finally I'm just gonna take a lip gloss. Yeet. 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 The highlighter in the inner corner and the brow bone. And then I'm just going to smoke like the purple underneath my eye. And now I gotta do the mascara on the bottom lashes too. Okay, so this is the completed look. It's very colorful and I definitely went out of my comfort zone, so I hope that you like it, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Turn on notifications. Boop. I love you guys so much. Namaste, my jewels, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!